Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install GitLab with GitHub easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have the prerequisites installed on your system. You'll need Docker and Docker Compose to run GitLab. If you haven't installed Docker yet, visit the Docker website and follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Once Docker is installed, verify the installation by typing Docker version in your terminal. Now let's set up a directory for GitLab. Create a new folder named GitLab in your desired location. Navigate into the GitLab directory using the terminal. Next, you will create a Docker Compose file. Open your text editor and create a new file named dockercompose.yml. In this file, you will define the services needed for GitLab. Start by specifying the version of the Docker Compose file. Then, under Services, add the GitLab service. Set the image to GitLab/GitLab latest to use the latest version of GitLab. Next, define the container name as GitLab. Expose the necessary ports, 80 for HTTP and 443 for HTTPS. Make sure to assign the external port to the internal port accordingly. Set environment variables like GitLab_omnibus_config for initial configuration. Next, create a volume to persist GitLab data. Create a volume named GitLab data for the GitLab configuration. Now save the dockercompose.yml file. Return to the terminal and execute the command docker compose upd. This command will start the GitLab service in detached mode. To check if GitLab is running, use the command docker ps. You should see the GitLab container listed. Wait for about a minute for GitLab to initialize completely. Now open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost. You will be greeted with the GitLab welcome page. Set up the initial root password as prompted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.